Welcome back to the channel, guys. Welcome tours. Just here, reached at Banana Beach. Let's have a little look around. So we came here last year. We go to all these places at the same time. But yeah, last year when we came, everything was just opening. So a lovely little DJ stand there. You can see in the distance down to the beach. Banana Bay. Yeah, absolutely lovely. Hello, guys. So yeah, it's a lovely little place. We'll get a nice coffee, get your meal, and as you see, go straight down. Some nice little cushions there to relax on the floor. Hello.
Unde vrei, aici?
But yeah, Banana Beach is a lot more busier, as you can see already. Hello, sir.
Hello.
So yeah, if you're not subscribed already, guys, make sure you subscribe. As I said before, around about 90% of you guys are not subscribed who watch the videos. It'd be lovely if you could all subscribe. It's got a little place here, a little shop. Buy your hats, buy your sandals. Let's take a walk down to the water, come on. That's where we just came from. We're going to take a walk this way. As you can see in the far distance, there's a cruise ship. Over there's mainland Greece and Cathonia in the distance, if that's how you say it. See that it's not deep again. It's like shallow everywhere around here. We're going to take a walk down to this other little place down there. We've got some more shaded areas. Guys, if you're not already, again, subscribe, hit the notification button, like the video or dislike it. It's up to you. It all helps the channel. And if you could share this video to anybody who loves coming to it, that would help us a million. So this little beach bar here It's never been open when we've come, but we've always come out of season, like I said. And the last time I came, it had been 2 years ago actually, it did look a bit trashed. It looks like they've done it up now. Let's walk past these lot over here, see what's around this corner. Don't think I've ever walked this far down the beach before. But it's a lovely day, why not? And when you get into this area, you've got to drive around this little mountain, and you can go up that mountain if you want to. You want to take a walk up there. But yeah, you take a good drive around this mountain, it goes up quite high, and there's loads of little viewpoints you can stop off. You can see down. Sometimes you spot little villas that have amazing little walkways into the water. Water. Let's go and see what this little beach bar is. It's good you've got the lifeguards. Like I said, whenever we're here, it's out of season. There's no lifeguards. It's so shallow. So shallow. Okay, this one's Palm Beach. Loads of cabanas, loads of places that you can lay down. And at the top as well. So we'll take a walk to the end of this. It's beautiful. Okay, got a little hot tub up there as well. Didn't see anyone in no hot tub this time of year. No idea why that would even be done, it's cold. Temperature today, it's got to be around about 30 degrees in the shade. 34, 35 at the moment. That's Palm Beach up there. You see there's a bar at the top. Wonder if this one's the same one. Doesn't look like it. This one, the No Name Beach Bar, because it doesn't have a name on it. Not that that's what it's called. Still, it's really nice though. There guys, so again, as I said before, 90% of you guys who watch our videos are not subscribed. If you could all subscribe please, it'd help us millions. Like and share the videos. If you can share them, help us a lot more. Good couple of shares. My hair's looking terrible today, it's the wind and the car. It's like the motorbike. But yeah, thanks for tuning in guys. Until the next one, see ya.